happy day. What day is it?
Friday.
And it's Friday today. And I'm going to show you my reading box. Those are my reading box. Let me show you how I read this. Tap, tap, tap. And there's 20 pages, but there's supposed to be 12. There's 12 in this one. Tap, tap, tap. Pip, Sam, it is Pat. Tap.
No, Pat. That's right. Pat.
Sam, it is Pat.
Yeah.
Pat. Pam. Pam.
Are you going to Chelsea Harry's present for her?
Yeah.
Until I
You're going to school.
Put Pip. It is. Are you come back in the shop and ask me every present?
Of course, you can help me wrap it.
And then I give it to him?
Yeah, tomorrow.
Yeah. Does it say tap, tap, tap?
Yeah. Actually, we won't braid it, Bob, because you're going swimming tonight.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. Small bow tayo today. Kasi sa gabal na daw yung malaki. Didi, good morning!
Not that curly.
Good morning! Oy! Where you going?
Good morning, Mama. Good morning.
Morning.
Good morning.
Happy Friday.
Happy Friday. I'm some nugget.
What are you doing, Dee?
Mommy, look. I woke up in the nugget.
She likes it. What is Auntie doing? Oh, she's copying you. Good morning. Happy Friday. It is 8:37. Pinapakinggan ko yung The JK podcast. Do you guys listen to that? It's Kathleen Lights and Jessie Smiles. Kathleen Lights, if hindi nyo siya kilala, siya yung favorite YouTuber ko noon. Pero hindi na ako nakakanood ng mga YouTube videos masyado kasi kailangan mo siyang, kapag ako nanonood, kailangan naka-stay put, tsaka nanonood talaga. Kapag podcast, maganda kasi nakikinig lang ako while I'm doing stuff, you know?
Mommy.
Yes, baby! Hi! You wanna say hi to the guys? Ang lakas na niya mag-mommy, guys. As in, good job! Say, mommy. All done, yeah. Ito yung hilig niya. Kit-kit ng mga toothpaste. Say, mommy! So, look at my lips. Yeah. I am on my happy day. So, we got it done Tuesday. It's Friday now. So, third day na niya ngayon. Yung lips ko. And ganyan yung itsura niya, guys. Again, it's not completely healed yet. Meron akong nafe-feel na parang, no, that's medicine, no. Parang dry skin na nakaano sa kanya ba? Nakalapat. Yun yung feeling. Pero lalagyan ko siya nito para hindi ganun ka-dry yung feeling. You can't have that. That's medicine. Ang galing mo pa naman mag-open-open. Sorry, you can't have it. How about this one? You can play with this one. Yeah, it's the same as this, see? Ayan. That looks much better and feels way better. Again, ito lang yung bigay sa akin ng gumawa ng lips at saka ng brows ko. Ilagay daw siya sa lips every hour. Hindi ko na comply yung every hour talaga kasi grabe naman yung every hour. Pero I do apply it.
Mama.
Pag naaalala ko siya. Kasi kung every hour, feeling ko ubos na yung naka-open na. Ay! Wala pala akong eyelashes. Oh my gosh, my hair. Ang dami na naman buhok. I'm keeping it here. Nilagay na ganyan ko yung buhok. Para makuha ko siya mamaya, tapos itapon ko. Kasi kapag nasa carpet siya, hindi na siya masyadong kita. Yeah, so hindi ko siya madampot kapag nasa carpet na siya. Say, Mama. Lakas na magsalita na din natin. Anyway, I'm getting ready because we will go to Target. Kailangan namin bumili ng regalo para sa classmate ni Arlo, yung kanyang best friend. Siya yung classmate ni Arlo sa occasional care, tapos pinag-classmate din sila ng mga teachers sa reception. not reception, sa preschool. So siya yung pinaka-close na friend ni Arlo ngayon. Which is good kasi parang may constant friend na siya from the beginning talaga, like occasional care pa lang. Si Ayla kasi parang kailan niya ba naging friend si Liana? Parang preschool na ata niya naging friend si Liana. Meron siyang mga friends sa occasional care. Kaya lang, nung nag-move sila sa preschool, ibang schedule sila. Kasi nga yung preschool, di ba, may 2 schedules. Sa school na pinupuntahan ng mga bata, may 2 schedules. So, Monday to Wednesday at saka Wednesday to Friday. We chose the Wednesday to Friday. Tapos yung mga friends ni Ayla, yung pinili kasi nila Monday to Wednesday. So hindi niya naging classmate yung mga close niya nung occasional care. Pero okay pa din kasi nga nung nag-preschool na siya, nakilala niya si Liana, and hanggang ngayon, sila pa din ni Liana, lagi sila nagka-classmate. So feeling ko hanggang reception or hanggang kailanman, basta piliin nila yung isa't isa na gusto nilang mag-classmate, magka-classmate yan sila. Gusto ko tong ubusin itong Skintific. Feeling ko malapit na siya maubos. Yeah, kasi kapag hindi pa pala. Sabihin ko sana pag pinipress ko siya, konti na lang, pero hindi pala. Napadami tuloy. Feeling ko kasi, na to? Expired na ba to? Hindi pa naman. 2027 pa naman. Matagal pa pala. Gusto lang magbawas. Gusto ko naman magbawas na. Dalawa lang yung cushion ko eh. So, ito, at saka itong third tier. And maganda yung third tier kasi maliit. And gusto ko yung mga mini-mini kasi nga, para maubos ba? Sayang kasi. So, ayan, ang liit-liit lang talaga nito. I got that from Yes Style. Happy D. Say, Mama. What are you gonna wear today? Again, ang ganda nitong blush na to. Sa mga morena dyan, naghahanap ng blush na maganda. Actually, bagay din siya sa lighter skin tone. Kasi bagay din to kay Manay. BLK Cosmetics. Kanilang creamy all over paint. I'm not sure if they still have this. Kasi bigay to sa akin ni Miss matagal na. Yung last trip pa talaga namin sa Pinas. The shade is Palm Springs. So, kailan to ma-expire? I'm not sure if meron pa sila nito, guys. Kasi matagal na pala to. Maganda yung kulay niya kasi. Tapos, bagay din siya kay Miss. Bagay din siya kay Manay. Bagay siya sa lahat. Itong shade na to, ang ganda. Tapos, yung brush na gamit ko with it, this is from Hourglass. Ito yung foundation brush nila. And this is perfect for this blush. Like sa mga creamy na mga products. All done, yeah. All done. That's it. That's it. All done. Yay, let's go. Perfume. Wait. This is what I am finishing. Roberto Cavalli Paradiso. Tingnan nyo siya. Magbibihis na siya. Okay, let's go get your clothes. Okay. Ooh, so cute! Let me see. Oh, so cute! I love your outfit. Oh, no, don't push. Let's go. Come on. Ganda naman ng outfit na yan. Maliit na yan sa'yo, B. Okay pa ba? Guwapa! Let's go. Yeah. You wanna see? Okay, go look in the mirror. Tinitingnan niya sa salamin yung outfits niya eh. Let's go. Say, let's go. Yes. Say, happy day. Let's go. Baon natin yan. Wala na. Wala ka ng baon. Kinain mo na. Oops! You dropped it! Yeah, pick it up, please. It's okay. Pick it up. You can do it. Pick it up. Good job. Oh, put it back. One more. Well done. All right, let's go. Oopsie! Oh no, another one. It's okay. Okay, ready? Okay, let's go. Careful, don't drop any. It's okay. No, you didn't drop any. Good girl. Good job. Oh, dandahan siya. We'll put shoes on. Happy day, I know. Baba. Basta na naisin natin na yan. Ready? It's okay. Nisip ko, magdadala ba ako ng shopping bag? Na, it's okay. We will just go to Target. Lagay lang natin sa pram. Punta muna tayong Chemist Warehouse. Meron lang akong ipipick up na order and then Target na tayo. Happy day! Don't sleep yet! If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know it, and you really wanna show it. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. Let's go. Wait, I'll put your shoes on first. Or take you out. Now, shoes on first, yes? Hindi ko dadalhin yung pram kasi pipick up lang talaga namin yung order ko sa Chemist Warehouse and then drive ulit kami. Papuntang Target naman. I like shoes. So cute. So pretty shoes. Let's go. Yeah. Say happy day. Oh, gara agad ana ako hindi ay. Let's go. Should we get something for Ate Meta? Yeah. Mga pambatang perfume sana. Wala man dito. Sa merong mga Barbie doon sa harap kaya lang wala man tester. That's Captain America perfume. Alright, come on. No. Ready? Yeah, we'll go to Target, okay? Yes. Target, yeah. 1, 2, 3. Target. Mommy. Yeah. Why? We're going. Yeah. Do you want water? Do you want water? This? Okay. So, punta na tayong Target. Babe, I'm going now. See? I'm moving. I'm moving. We're going, Baba. Told you. I told you. Alright. So, kailangan natin ng regalo para kay Harry. And then, regalo din para sa anak ng kaibigan ko. And then, we will also get gift wrappers. Okay, Di? Sana wala tayong makalimutan. Hello? Yes, you ready? Yes. Hello. Yeah, you happy? Oh my gosh, you're so happy. Such a happy day. 1, 2, 3. Peekaboo. 1, 2, 3 is the peekaboo. Okay. Ay, ang cool naman ito. That is nice. Ang ganda ng kulay. Bagay na bagay kay kuya yan, no? May mga nito din dun. Ay, ang cute din yan. We're not shopping for winter yet, but that looks nice too. Ay, ang cute din ito. Ganda din ang kulay na to. And this, for summer, $11? $8 from 18. Does kuya need this? Size 3. Ito naman, $8 na lang din. Marvel. Marvel lang nakalagay. Yeah. Superhero, oh. Matulog ka, no? Matutulog ka, alam ko. Let's look at the clearance quickly. Yung itong mga ganito, pwede lang bilhin. Ay, maganda din to. That's 11. Mas mura yung isa. Ay, ito ang cute. Ayan. All done daw. What do you want? Ito yung maganda kasi meron talagang superhero. How much is that? 11. Let's find it. Alright, so meron ako na to. And i-check ko kung magkano to. But, they also have... Wait, get that? I know, all done. Sabi niya, all done. All done? I know. Alright. All done. I know. We're going, baby. She slept for... AC. We need AC. Alright, baby. Natulog siya ng mga... I wanna say 30 minutes siguro. Well, naglalakad-lakad ako doon. Tapos pumunta din kasi akong Drake's to do some grocery shopping. Kailangan namin ng milk. And then I also picked up some stuff. I'm gonna show you guys. I found something. I found something good. Didi, I found something good, Didi. Wait, kompleto ba yung akin? Yeah. Ang init today, guys. It is 29 degrees. Alright, guys. Let's do a quick haul. Look at this, you guys! Meron sila! Sa Drake's ko to nabili. Ito yung gusto kong itry. Yung crunchy. Meron kasi silang puffy. Ayoko yung puffy. And because I have that, I got cream cheese and tiny caps. Maliliit na capsicum. Meron akong nahanap doon. So, feeling ko ang sarap-sarap yan. Ay, perfect. Pumili ako nitong mga to kasi naka-sale. Pang special occasion. So, tinatago ko to sila. And then, nakita ko to. Na-miss ko to, guys. Diba? Ito yung lagi kong binibili dati. Tapos, bigla na lang siyang naubos na siya sa parang fresh section. Nahanap namin siya sa freezer. And then, bigla na lang naubos na din siya sa freezer. So, I found this today. Kuya was stocking it up. So, kakalagay lang talaga ni Kuya na to. Yes. What do you want? Okay, let's go get it. You want more blueberries? Say blueberries! Aww. So, ito yung from Melco Foods. So, yung pinipili ko for the kids is yung Southern Chicken Rib. So, dinalawa ko siya. Pero merong iba-ibang klase doon from Melco Foods din. Merong karagi, merong chicken tender. May spicy nga ata doon na parang spicy chicken tender something. And then, bumili ako ng talong kasi gusto kong magpinakbit mamaya kahit kulang yung ingredients ko. A small talong. Ang perfect talaga ng pagpunta ko doon. Tapos, ito naka-sale. So, dinalawa ko. Nilalagay ko to sa lunchbox ng mga bata eh. Excited ako dyan sa ating jalapenos. Parang gusto ko yan na yung kainin ko. Gusto ko sana lutuin yung natin eh. Enoki mushroom, meron pa akong isa na tira. But yan siguro yung kakainin ko. Parang excited ako dyan. Feeling ko masarap yung capsicum kasi maliit. Yung last time kasi pakalaki naman ang capsicum. Ay, kainin natin yan. So meron pala siya sa Drake's. More? Say please.
Okay.
Good job. Alright, come here. Alright, guys, let's try this. I'm gonna try this. You wanna eat rice? Mamaya na. 11:36 na. Mamaya na. Kumakain siya ng blueberries. Yan pala, B. Sana dinagdagan natin yung blueberries. Mauubos mo na. Kumuha talaga siya ng bowl. No, that's spicy. Spicy man yan. Blueberries ka na lang. Naka-4 na balik na ata to. Mauubos na naman yung isang pack. You want chips now?
Please.
Huh? Please? Oh. Grabe na magsalita to. Say, Mommy! What are you doing? Kukuha yan ang kakainin. Naghanap sa bag. Wala na yan, di. If you wanna eat, I'll give you rice. Do you want that? I opened one for you. You didn't want it. Here. Don't break it. Don't break it. Akin na yan. Don't break it. Oh, ganito itsura niya. Meron siyang mga parang spices na kaano dyan. Yung nakikita ko kasi walang ganito. Plain lang siya tapos apaka-orange. Ganito yung gusto kong texture. Hindi siya ganun ka-spicy. No, spicy lagi. All done, yeah. All done. Spicy man. Diyan capsicum? You want that? Yes, you want that? Oh no. No, spicy. Smell it. All done. Spicy, see? No, babe, it's spicy. I told you. Alright, guys. I'm excited. Ito yung okay. Parang yung last na kinain ko, sobrang kapal talaga ng capsicum. Hindi siya ganun ka-spicy. Baka mas magustuhan ko yung Takis. Papunta na naman siya. Yes! Isuga yun, oy! Oh, thank you! Is that mommy's? Yay, thank you! You want more? Okay, I'll give you more. Come on. Cream cheese. All done. I know. You want cream cheese? Click. Yeah. Ito doon nga lang nga. Kaya talaga di. Wait, sorry. All done. That's yum. Masarap yung chips with cream cheese na with capsicum. Guys, masarap siya. With this capsicum, yung manipis lang na capsicum, hindi ganun kalaki. Tas sweet din daw kasi yung capsicum na to. Yeah, sweet crunchy capsicum. Uy, feeling ko masarap to with Takis. Kasi yun spicy talaga. Mas nangingibabaw yung tamis kasi matamis yung capsicum. Tapos hindi ganun kaanghang yung chips. Masarap siya. I'll try red this time. Guys, this is good. It's yummy. Guys, update. It is 5:05 ng hapon. Kakaalis lang ng mga kapatid nito with daddy to go swimming. And na-prepare ko na din ang aking lulutuin. So we will have pinakbet today na walang string beans. String beans lang yung kulang, diba? This time meron akong kamatis. So I have kamatis, I have the pumpkin here, and I have the pork here. Iniisip ko kung i-air fry ko to or isasali ko na lang to dito. Para kasi masyadong maraming pork. Masyado bang marami or okay lang? Nah, kukunti naman yan eh. Para hindi ko na siya lutuin. Iniisip ko kasi ano ko na lang siya ipakuluan tapos i-air fry ba? Masarap din yung ating... Oh, more? Kumakain ng watermelon tong isa. Tama ba? Yeah. Kasi parang dadami siya, guys. Yun na lang. Kaya pakuluan ko na lang. Alright, let's start cooking. La 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 la. Hana, Sierra, goodbye there, and eternity. Hindi makahintay talaga. Dapat kain na talaga ngayon na agad. Yeah. Oh? Gutom na gutom yan? Gutom na gutom yan? Walang kain yan buong araw? Kakatapos ko lang talaga lutuin yung ano guys, pinakbit. Nagtatawag na tong isa. Hi! Si Andy. Now don't do that. Don't put your finger in there. Yeah. Say hi. You like it? You like pinakbit? Pinakamaingay na bata. Pinakamaingay na Didi. Yeah. Alright, come on. No, don't do that. Why? You want pumpkin? Pumpkin. Good job. Good job. Yummy pumpkin. Yeah, happy? Happy Dee. Where you going? Yeah? More pumpkin? Yummy pumpkin, yeah? Yeah? So good! Say bye! Oh, no bye. No bye. Later, we buy later. Not now.
Bye.
Oh, bye! Pumpkin? Big one. Oh, big one! Ooh, too big? Too big? Okay. Right here. Kaya? Oh, good job. Oh, well done. Happy? Here's our plate, you guys. Nandiyan na yung rice sa ilalim. Wala pa si Dan at saka yung kids, but susubo ako, guys, kasi baka ayan na nga. Di, here, this way. Come here. Sit here. Para naman talagang walang kain, tapos walang kumain. Hello, you wanna sit? Sit with mama. Gusto mo na naman kumain? Kain tayo, guys. Dami kong gulay. Yum? Happy day.
I have
Oh, Pikachu. Why is he on your plate?
Cover my plate.
Oh, she's eating it.
Not really. She's picking it up, but she's not really eating it. You happy? What? Water?
I
Ready,
thought she
please?
was like this. Mommy, is he have this?
Yeah, she can have that.
Only a tiny piece.
Good job. Thanks for checking.
Oopsie.
She dropped it?
No, still. It did not. It was in a TT.
Okay.
I got noodles.
Say
I
ta.
want noodles.
Say ta.
Daddy, I want noodles.
Ta.
Daddy, I want noodles. I love my noodles. Is that?
Do some of this chicken out there. Grab some of that. Grab some of that. Hey, the drumstick still.
Yeah, she can have that. Oh, she is eating this one.
Oh yeah, in the snack. Pumpkin. Right. Oh, in the. You don't eat
Any
that.
that on or not?
You only eat this one. Dad, look at that. Baby, just eat this one. Baby, just eat this one. Baby, eat this one. And there's spoons and that about it.
It
Mommy.
look, mommy.
Tastes good.
Yeah. Oh, yummy. Yummy.
Noodles are
Say
so
yummy.
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 Excited. Excited. This is chicken noodles.
Say yummy.
Chicken noodles.
Careful.
Yeah, so you
Properly
need to
placed.
peel it off. Oh. Then I love chicken
Happy.
noodles.
Aw. Alo, she's really happy sitting next to you, Alo.
Yeah.
Yeah, she loves
I
it.
just found a tiny bone was right there, but it broke. But it can eat. I think this one's
She's also eating your chips.
Oh yeah, and it'll eat all my chips.
She had dinner already, but she's eating your chips and
Yeah.
some of your
And then
chips.
it's hungry. And then it wasn't that big like me and I and Daddy and Mommy.
Yeah, she wants to be big. You're gonna grow really quick.
Mama! Yeah,
Oh,
me too.
yeah.
And me too.
Yeah.
Then I'm going to really swallow. But
Chicken.
Mama, guess what? I'm not supposed to buy water bottle. But lucky I found it in the lost property.
Really?
Really?
What happened?
So I've got my gym ball at the playground at lunchtime, and my sister Gemma, I was my gym. There were Italians over there, and then when I got one there, Mr. Joe said, Isla, I'll find it if everyone gives, everyone gives it back, and then she didn't return. And then I was
Isla, do you want chicken?
stressed there.
Oh, yeah, okay. Oh, yes. You got-
Said, you need to write another lesson. And then I did. And then I got the drink taps. And they have more. For like 1 hour. Baby.
Okay. Do you know how to drink it?
Yeah.
Mommy, Okay, that's good.
Mama put more and they can
Okay.
take more. And then you want this Willow found it.
Willow?
The reason I have the lost property Miss detailed me.
Aww. That's nice.
Mommy.
At least someone put it there. So Miss D is there again, but this is you said this is a different Miss D. So she helps Miss Rogero, does she? And her name is Miss D. And this is a different Miss D.
Yeah.
Why is her name same?
I don't know. Actually, and the other one is this is Carbini. Mommy.
This is
Okay,
Carboni.
what is that?
I don't know the abandoned store. It has yellow coats and still in my store, and I have this nutty coats,
Matchy clothes, yes.
and I don't know his name anymore.
Oh, you forgot again.
Yeah, don't it for them. I didn't have
Not Jack.
Leo?
Oh, Leo,
No.
they just behind me. I know Leo.
You know Leo. Okay. Valentino.
He's not playing me.
You're not friends.
Yeah, because he don't want to be friends with me anymore now.
Why?
Because he wants to have dolphins.
Does he marry the girls, does he?
You do marry a dog. Daddy!
What was Harry's color today?
What colour is his shirt? Red? Blue?
Oh,
Oh.
his shorts, he does have the blue shorts.
Yeah, but his top.
But his top is blue too.
Oh, nice.
But he don't have the same socks.
Yeah. Yeah. Isn't his socks just white?
Oh, but I just want to have cool shoes.
He's got cool shoes.
Yeah, not super shoes.
Super shoes.
Yeah, super shoes.
Superhero.
No, super shoes and some really fast shoes.
Really fast shoes. Really? How do you
But
know?
I have,
I like them.
because it's so, he has green and blue and it looks like toy. Oh, you can know
Okay. Kanina pa sila nagtatakbuhan ni. Kanina bola yung nilalaro, tapos ito takbo-takbo. Pagod na tong mga to. You okay, Ayla? Galing pa swimming yung dalawa. Oh, pak! Good job, Ayla. Can you do a proper one for me? Oh, babe. That is so good.
On the cat. Ready? You tell me, Mom.
It's okay, babe. Ayla, that was so good.
Mama.